For this flower, you will need a 15 centimeter, a garden soft wire, and a pom-pom maker, but it's optional. You can use your fingers if you want, but I will show you how to make this pom-pom. Insert your yarn like this, then insert in here, and then wrap around and follow this line. Wrap around back and forth until you get the thickness of this one. Okay, so then after that, cut this yarn here, hold here, and then cut this yarn. Okay, then hold the tail on the other side, then make knot this at the center. For the second option, you can use your fingers and wrap around 50 times. Then after the 50 times, cut a extra tail, then knot at the center. And then leave this tail here because we will use this one to place in the wire. Then trim at the top. Now for the sepal of the yellow flower and the first flower, the baby flower, make a magic ring chain in 6 single crochet. Then round 2, single crochet in the first chain, including the tail, 1. In the second increase, we have 3. In the next single crochet, in the next increase, in the next single crochet, then increase. Nine. So when you have 9 single crochet in each chain in the next round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then leave a long tail. This one. Then insert your darning needle in the second chain, not in the first, in the second chain. And then insert the darning needle at the back loop only on that last stitch right here. Then flip this one and transfer the long tail at the middle of the stitches. Now we will glue on in the top here, and then just puff at this center. And then make sure you hold the yellow tail, this one, and then we will wrap around with this green yarn. Now for the sepal of this white flower, make a magic ring chain and then just 6 single crochet inside the ring. And then same thing, you will transfer the long tail at the middle of the stitches. Okay, and then trim the top of the yarns. You can add a little amount of glue here so it will be safe. And then take your comb and shred these yarns.